Ooh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are entering the old Fort Benjamin. Kaya lang, ito ay abandoned place na and hindi ka rin pwedeng pumasok kasi close na. Ito yung ditch lang na makikita mo and then wala na siyang bridge. Pero ang laki ng place na to. Okay, so let's start the trail here and so far, medyo easy access pa to. It's good for kids. Ito yung Fort Benjamin from outside and sobrang laki niya. And look at this view. You will have an amazing view while walking. So nice, right? Dito sa part na to, palusong yung daan since malapit kami doon sa port nag-start. Ayan. And medyo mabato din. Maganda pa yung weather nung nag-walk kami dito eh. Siguro around March. Kaso late lang ako nag-upload. Oops, medyo makipot sa parking to. Kaya kung meron kang makakasalubong, medyo kailangan mo mag-stop. Ang ganda tingnan ng flower field na to. Purple flowers. That's so nice. Oh, ayan. Sige, lakad pa more. Ubusin natin ang energy para pagdating sa bahay, tulog na lang. Okay, so this is interesting. This is a carved tree or haruba tree in Maldives. So ito ay in-introduce ng mga Arab dito sa Malta and kung makikita nyo yung green fruits ay ginagawa nilang syrup dito sa Malta kapag naging brown na siya. At this point, nag-decide na kami na bumalik but you can continue kasi mahaba itong Victoria Lines. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you on my next video.